Prepping for the US CMA exam can be overwhelming. With so many topics to cover and a limited time frame, many candidates struggle with where to start, what to focus on, and how to stay on track.
One of the biggest reasons candidates fail is not because they don't study enough, but because they don't study the right way. A well-planned approach can make all the difference in ensuring you pass in your first attempt.
In this video, we will break down the key do's and don'ts of the US CMA exam preparation so you can avoid common mistakes and set yourself up for success.
Your study material will determine how well you grasp the concepts. Many candidates make the mistakes of relying on free resources or outdated notes, which can lead to confusion and incomplete understanding.
Invest in trusted CMA US study materials from reputable sources like Hawk International. They provide structured learning, practice exams, and in-depth explanations, ensuring you are studying exactly what is needed for the exam.
Also, check for updated editions. Using the latest material ensures you are preparing for the most current version of the exam.
Theory alone won't get you through the US CMA exam. This exam tests your ability to apply concepts, and the best way to strengthen your understanding is through consistent practice.
Make it a habit to solve multiple choice questions and essay-type questions daily. Practicing under timed conditions will help you get comfortable with the exam pattern and improve your speed. Also, don't just answer questions. Analyze your mistakes. Understanding why you got an answer wrong is the key to preventing the same mistake on exam day. Time management is one of the most important factors in passing the CMA USA exam. Without a proper study plan, you might find yourself rushing through the topics or leaving little time for revision.
Start your preparation at least 4 to 6 months in advance, divide your syllabus into manageable sections, set weekly targets, and leave at least a month for revision and mock tests. A well-structured study plan keeps you on track and reduces last-minute pressure. Many candidates procrastinate on registering for the exam, thinking they will do it later. This is a mistake that can cost you in multiple ways.
Late registration means fewer available test slots and locations. You may end up with an inconvenient exam date, leaving you less time to prepare or forcing you to take the exam under stressful conditions.
Register early to secure your preferred date and location. Having a confirmed exam date also gives you a clear deadline to structure your study plan around.
Some candidates make the mistake of creating study schedules that are either too ambitious or too relaxed.
Planning to study 10 hours a day for months is unrealistic and will likely lead to burnout. On the other hand, not setting a schedule at all can lead to procrastination and ineffective preparation.
A balanced approach is the key here. Aim for 2 to 3 hours of focused study daily, increasing the intensity as the exam approaches. Make sure to include breaks and revision time in your schedule.
Many candidates focus so much on studying that they overlook important exam policies and requirements. For example, not checking ID requirements, bringing an unapproved calculator, or misunderstanding test center policies can result in unnecessary stress or worse, disqualification on exam day.
Familiarize yourself with all exam guidelines well in advance. Check the official CMA USA website for approved test materials, ID requirements, and test day procedures. The CMA USA exam is challenging, but with the right approach, you can pass it successfully.
Use reliable study materials, practice consistently, and manage your time wisely. At the same time, avoid last-minute registrations, unrealistic study plans, and overlooking exam policies.
A well-planned study structure combined with discipline and consistency will increase your chances of clearing the exam on your first attempt. If you found this video helpful and insightful, make sure to give it a like. Also, don't forget to share this video with your peers, study groups, or anyone preparing for the CMA USA exam to help them avoid the most common mistakes and prepare more effectively.
If you have any questions about the CMA USA exam, study strategies, or career opportunities after certification, leave a comment below, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications to never miss expert insights, study tips, and latest updates on the CMA USA exam, preparation, and career opportunities.